In this video today, I will show you how to lock Google Photos application on your Samsung S24 or S25 and make your photos and videos private. Now for this one, we will be using secure folder. So what I will do is I will open secure folder at first. Now use your fingerprint or pin in order to open the secure folder. After that, tap on this plus icon here. And from here you have to select Google Photos. So this is the one, select it and then add. So once the Google Photos is added, open it and you can either allow limited access or allow all. Select let's go, and if you want Google Photos to send you notification, you can select allow or else don't allow. Let me close this one, and this is the Google Photos application. So once I have installed Google Photos app in secure folder, what I will do is I will go ahead and the Google Photos application which is outside in this apps screen, I will delete it. So this is the one, I will tap and hold and then uninstall and then OK. So once the Google Photos app is deleted from the app screen, it will be inside the secure folder only. If I open it, you can see Google Photos application. So no one will be able to open the Google Photos app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.